Hello listener, in our previous two videos we have discussed about important problems related to trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In this video also we discuss some more important questions related to that topic. And the students who are preparing for Telangana State Board, CBSE and other state boards, for them this important question will be helpful in their exam to score better marks. Okay, and we have already discussed the introduction of trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. If you haven't seen my previous videos, just go below the video and click on that link and you can watch the introduction of trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, let's start some more important problems related to trigonometric ratios and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Let's go for first. Find the value of sec 15 degree upon cosec 75 degree plus sin 72 degree upon cos 18 degree minus tan 33 degree upon cot 57 degree. This kind of problem is related to trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In our previous video, I have explained that you have to remember 6 complementary angles. If you are not remembering 6 complementary angles, you have to remember the conversion method. Sin is converted to cos, cos is converted to sin, sec is converted to cosec, cosec is converted to sec, cot is converted to tan, tan is converted to cot. Let's start doing problem. Okay, sec 15 degree. This is nothing but sec theta. This is cosec 75. You can convert sec 15 as sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta. What is the theta value is? 75. 75 by cosec 75 plus sin 72 degree upon cos. Cos is you are converting into 90 minus theta. 90 minus 72 minus tan 33 upon cot 90 minus 33. Here I have written the formulas related to this problem. Say sec 90 minus theta is converted into cosec theta. What is the theta value is? 75 degree by cosec 75 plus sin 72 upon cos. What is cos 90 minus theta is? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is converted into sin theta. Sin 72 minus tan 33 upon cot 90 minus 33. Cot 90 minus theta is converted to tan theta. You can convert tan into cot also. You can convert sin into cos. You can write sin 90 minus theta also. You can write tan 90 minus. If you are writing tan 90 minus theta, you will get cot. If you are writing sin 90 minus theta means you will get cos. If you are writing cosec 90 minus theta means you will get sec. Cosec 75 upon cosec 75 is cancelled. This is also cancelled. This is also cancelled by 1. 1 plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled and you will get the value as. Our next problem is evaluate tan square 60 plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 3 sec square 30 degree plus 5 cos square 90 upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree minus cot square 30. As already we know that the value of tan 60 is root 3 cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. Cos 90 is 0. Cosec 30 is 2. Sec 60 is 2. And your cot 30 is root 3. Substitute this value in your equations. Tan square 60 plus 4 cos square 45 plus 3 sec square 30 plus 5 cos square 90 upon cosec 30 plus sec 60 minus cot square 30. Substitute the value. What is your tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 whole square plus 4 into what is your cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into what is your sec 2 by root 3 whole square plus 5 into 0 whole square plus what is your cosec 30? 30 is nothing but 2. What is your sec 60? 2 plus what minus what is your cot 30 value is root 3 whole square. Square, square cancel, square, square cancel. Okay? Square, square cancel. This square cancel. Okay? Then substitute 3 plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square. 2 into 2, 4 by root and square will be cancelled. So it is 3. Find any numbers, multiply by 0, you will get the value as 0 upon 2 plus 2, you will get 4 minus square root cancel 4 minus 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. What you will get? 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 by 4 minus 3, 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 will be the value.